I've been offered a study, so what happens next?
So first of all, we invite our patients in and provide detailed information about trials. If you are being offered a slot in a trial, we invite patients in and we give them detailed information about what kind of treatment is it, what is needed in terms of biopsies, blood samples, visits, etc. So you take this information home, you need at least 24 hours to think about it, and then we ask our patients to ring or we contact them to find out are they keen to proceed or not. If they say, yes, I want to, then we enter the so-called screening phase of a trial. That is where we as a trial team have to make sure that the patient fulfills all the criteria set out in the trial protocol. But it's important to understand you're not just there to start the treatment. The screening is important, and once the screening is successfully done, the patient enters the treatment phase of a trial. And that might take for a various number of cycles, for however long the treatment works. Unfortunately, we can't tell to patients for how long that will be because it always depends on how do they tolerate the treatment.
Can you tell me more about that treatment that is being part of the trial?
Well, that certainly depends on the trial. We've got clinical trials about all different kinds of cancer treatment. Could be surgery, radiotherapy, systemic treatment, so something like chemotherapy or tablet treatment. It can be either of those or a mixture. It depends on the trial. So you will be told in the beginning. It's anti-cancer treatment that is given either as a drip, so an infusion. We do have lots of treatments that are being delivered as tablets. Sometimes it's a combination of both. And then the question for patients always is, will I have to stay in hospital for my treatment or not? That again is also down to the trial you're participating in. For us, most of our trials are delivered on an outpatient basis. So patients are just coming in, be seen and be treated, or if it's a tablet treatment, they are being seen, given the okay, pick up the pills and take them at home and ask your doctor about once you're being offered a slot.
Am I going to be informed about all of the side effects?
You don't know every bits and pieces, and that is what we have to be honest about. Tell our patients, well, we have to see you frequently to make sure you're doing all right and to really document the side effects that might well not be related to the treatment, but you have to have doctors to assess, is it related to treatment or not, to define the side effect profile. So it's not always straightforward, but that is why we see our patients frequently, to make sure they are safe.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for answering all of the questions.
It was my pleasure.